A bicycle crossing an intersection without control gets hit by a car. A careless driver who cannot see the road behind a tanker is hit by an oncoming vehicle from a side road, causing the car to tip over. In this footage, a vehicle entering the road recklessly collides with another. Once again, a careless driver causes an accident by entering the road without checking the right side. During nighttime riding, one motorcyclist carelessly causes the other to fall and then flees the scene. A car attempting a sudden turn gets hit by an oncoming vehicle and crashes into a wall. A reckless vehicle entering the road hits a taxi, leading to an accident. A speeding truck that runs a red light causes a major accident. A motorcyclist loses control and crashes into the curb. On a slippery road, a red car carelessly crashes into another vehicle to stop. A car making an illegal U-turn is rear-ended by another speeding vehicle. A driver suddenly deciding to turn is hit by another car on its path. A truck driver, unaware of the small car in front, gives the car a surprising shock. A speeding blue car causes a chain collision. Careless drivers crash into each other recklessly. A taxi driver entering the road suddenly pays the price with an accident. The footage starts with a motorcycle, and its rider ends up in an unexpected place. This major accident shows the consequences of the taxi driver's mistake. A driver unable to stop on a slippery road hits the car ahead and then attempts to flee. A driver giving priority to pedestrians is rear-ended by other vehicles. A driver making a sharp turn ends up facing another vehicle head-on. A car pays the price by crashing into a reckless truck crossing the road. A motorcycle crashes into a car, making an incorrect turn. A car speeding recklessly is stopped after being hit from the side by another vehicle. A driver failing to notice the red light causes a multi-car collision. A reckless vehicle entering the road is hit at high speed by another from the left. A car suddenly entering a busy street crashes into another vehicle to stop. A driver unaware of an approaching bus on the right realizes it only after causing an accident.